Still managing your maintenance tasks, inspections, and team members the old-fashioned way? Get everyone on the same page with MaintainX. MaintainX helps you track your reactive maintenance, preventative maintenance, and control the daily operations of your business, such as safety inspections, quality inspections, and operating checklists, all in one easy-to-use app for your team. Easily handle your reactive maintenance by tracking when something breaks. Snap a picture and draw on it on your phone to show the issue. You can then seamlessly coordinate the work to make sure it's fixed. But why let that asset break in the first place? Assign a preventative maintenance schedule. See it on your calendar and make sure everything gets checked on time, so downtime never happens again. Our simple-to-use app can also help track and report safety issues as you perform safety inspections, site walkthroughs, OSHA inspections, and safety audits. Build and implement standard operating procedures and operating checklists to ensure your operations are consistent across your organization. Having a standardized operational engine has never been easier. Your team can receive real-time updates about work orders, inspection failures, and communicate with ease. No more wondering what needs to be done or who needs to do it. Tag assets with barcodes. Manage inventory, and even add signature blocks for authorizations. We help manage everything your team needs to get the job done and do it right. Managers can create customized reports to track your team's monthly time, costs, and asset downtime. And that's just the start. Getting started with our top-rated app is fast and 100% free. Download MaintainX today. Create your first work order in seconds and have your team on board in minutes. Manage your maintenance and operations without the paper stacks.